Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a cute strawberry cake. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the front of our cake. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle. And the corners are going to be kind of rounded. Next, we're going to draw the icing on the inside of the cake. So I'm going to start right here on the left side, and I'm going to go down just a little bit, right about here. And we're going to draw a straight line going across and almost to the end, but not quite. We're going to curve it around and draw that line going straight back. And we're going to draw two more shapes like this. So we're going to go down just a little bit, line straight across, curve, and straight back. And let's do one more. Perfect. All right, next let's draw the side of our cake, which is like the icing. So I'm going to start over here on the right, and I'm going to go out just a little bit. And I'm going to draw a line going straight down. And it's going to curve in to meet that bottom piece. All right, and next let's draw the top of our cake. So I'm going to start here on the left side, and we're going to draw a diagonal line going up and right about there. So notice how I didn't go all the way to the end. I stopped right about where that icing stops. And then I'm going to draw a curved line connecting the top to the side. Right, now I want to add a strawberry to the top of my cake. So I'm going to put my strawberry, I think, right about here. And I'm going to start above the cake. And the strawberry almost looks like a heart. So it curves around like that. And I'm going to leave the bottom of the strawberry open because we are going to put a squiggly line right there because that's where it goes into the cake. And then grab your eraser and let's erase this line. Next, let's draw our stem for our strawberry. So I'm going to start right up here, draw a line going down. And then I'm going to give my strawberry some leaves. I'm going to erase this line right here. And strawberries have tiny little seeds. They almost look like little raindrops. I'm going to put tiny little seeds all around my strawberry. That looks great. Now you can leave the cake like this, or if you want to add a face, let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to give my strawberry cake 2 big eyes. I'm going to start, I think, on this line right about here. We're going to draw a big circle. And another big circle. And then a smaller circle on the inside, and that's going to be the little highlight for the eyes. And right in this space down here, we're going to draw a U shape for a smile. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our cake looks so cute. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.